Alright, this is October 2nd here in south central Pennsylvania. It's cold and raining, about 60 degrees. Right up here is a field, really nice flat bench, and drops off to the creek. There's a lot of flint chips in this field here. Hasn't been plowed up probably in 15 years though, so. Anyway, I was just down here today, walking along here in the underbrush in the embankment below that field, and I think I found me a piece here. Right down there's the creek. Looks like it's a pretty long, narrow one. Looks like the tip's busted off. And the base is busted a little too. A little bit of stem busted off there. That's a pretty cool piece, kind of odd shaped. Didn't really usually find them that long and narrow. So, I was at another site just up the creek, about half a mile here for a while, and found some broken pieces. So. Alright, I'm going to keep walking here some. Hopefully I don't get rained out. So. Alright, it's raining pretty good now. I guess I'm going to have to head home in the rain. But I was walking along up here in the field, and I found a little piece here. It looks like a tip. I already turned it over, but set it back down. But looks like it might be a little white quartz triangle piece with both the back ears knocked off. It's worked right across there. Both the back corners knocked off. So. Alright, I get home, get to work. Alright, it's just been about a minute since I picked up that white quartz piece. Came upon another piece here. It's kind of busted up, it looks like. Kind of thick, chunky. But it's rhyolite, and it's definitely got sort of a tail worked on the back there. That's pretty ugly, but hey, I'll take it home. Okay, here's what I found today. Here's just a couple different kinds of flint material that I picked up. Quartz. Here's two tips made out of rhyolite. Here's I think it's probably a little arrowhead. Little notched ear there on that side. Busted off on that side. Here's a quartz triangle. Two back corners are knocked off. Here's a midsection or tail piece, something pretty rough. There's that long skinny one. Broken stem. Broken tip. And here's that rough one. It's really thick. And it really looks like somebody was working pretty hard at trying to thin it down, but it was working pretty hard. So okay, that's what I found today. Hope everybody else out there had good luck.